In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Copilot. To get started, open your preferred search engine on your computer. Once you're there, type in Install Copilot and run the search. This should bring up the official result for downloading Copilot for desktop. Look for the option that says something like Download Copilot for desktop and click on it. It's a good idea to make sure you're selecting the official download page so you install the correct version safely and avoid any unofficial sources. After you click through, you'll be asked to choose the version that matches your computer. At this point, select whether you're using Windows or Mac. This matters because each operating system needs its own installer, and choosing the right one will make the setup process smooth and straightforward. If you're not sure which device you have, you can quickly check your system information before continuing. Once you've selected your operating system, you'll be taken to the download page. From there, click the download button to begin downloading the installer file. Depending on your browser and internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. While the file is downloading, make sure you don't close the browser if your system requires confirmation before saving the file. When the download is finished, locate the installer file on your computer. In most cases, you'll find it in your Downloads folder unless your browser saves files somewhere else. Click the file to open it and start the installation process. Your computer may ask for permission to allow the installer to make changes to your device. If that happens, go ahead and approve it so the installation can continue. Next, click Install when prompted. The app will begin setting itself up on your computer. This part usually only takes a short moment. During installation, it's best to wait until the process is fully complete and avoid interrupting it, since closing the installer too early can cause problems. And that's it. Once the installation finishes, Copilot should be ready to use on your desktop. At that point, you can open the app and begin exploring it right away. If you want to make future access easier, you can also create a shortcut or pin the app to your taskbar or dock after it's installed. That's the full process for installing Copilot. And as you can see, it's quick and simple when you follow each step carefully.